is Ayushi. Welcome to my channel, The Art Rhythm, where I share my art knowledge with you. One of my subscribers requested me to make a video on basics of Pattachitra painting. So today's video is all about how to draw Pattachitra painting. But before start the drawing, we need to know what is Pattachitra painting. One of the oldest and most popular art form of Odisha. The name Pattachitra has evolved from the Sanskrit words patta means canvas and chitra means picture. Pattachitra is a general term for traditional cloth-based scroll painting based in the eastern India state of Odisha, West Bengal and parts of Bangladesh. Pattachitra art form is known for its intricate details as well as mythological narratives and Folkart inscripted in it. This art form is believed to have originated as early as the 12th century. A Pattachitra painting takes at least 5 to 15 days, while some even taking months to complete. There are few steps. Step 1. Preparation of canvas. Step 2. Preparation of colors. Step 3. Borders are done along 4 sides of canvas. Step 4. Outlines of the figures are drawn with pencils. Step 5. Then start the play of hues. Step 6. Detailing process. During detailing process, first thick outlines are drawn, namely motakala, and then final detailings are done called saru. Step 7 and last step is gahana kutta, which means detailing of jewelry. Though this painting is based on mythology, so there are lots of different characters from king to Asur and gods to commoners. Their faces and their facial expressions are also vary according to their characters. So today I am going to show you outlines of the different characters' faces. If you watch this video till the last, so you can also make these paintings very easily. The typical name of the procedure is called tipana, which implies the process of making a well-defined sketch on the canvas. It is not possible to show all the process, characters and the motifs in one video, so I will show you all of that on my upcoming videos one by one. And if you don't want to miss that, so do subscribe now. Press the bell icon to get notification of each art related video that I posted. And if you like my content, then please like, share and also let me know if you want to know any other art form in details. I will definitely try to make videos on that. Here I used black marker and watercolor paper. You can use any watercolor paper, but it should be above 165 GSM. Quality of the paper is also important to make any folk art paintings. You can also use canvases, but I always suggest before start the painting on any watercolor paper or drawing sheet, first draw the rough sketch in normal white paper, then trace out the design to your drawing sheet. And if you use canvases, then always use yellow carbon paper for tracing. The outlines of the faces that I show you is done by one of the famous Chitrakar of Raghurajpur, Odisha. I only show you how to draw it, so you can get a knowledge how to make Pattachitra very easily. So here it is done. If you like this, then don't forget to like, share, comment and subscribe. Thanks for watching.